Best weight loss drinks. NHS says that you are overweight or obese. Losing weight can reduce your risk of some potentially serious health problems. Most people who needed to lose weight can get health benefits from losing even a small amount of 5% of their weight if they keep it off. Some of the problems with being overweight or obese include the high blood pressure, heart diseases, strokes, type 2 diabetes, some types of cancers, and back pain. How do you know if you need to lose your weight? The simplest way to check your BMI is also as a body mass index should be in proportion to your height. Drinks, a better form of diet to lose your weight. There are certain reasons that provide that drinking juices are better options than eating. Firstly, drinking is an easy and quick method to suit your hectic schedule. Eaters take a whole lots of time to prepare. Instead, on the other hand, juices are quickly to prepare. Healthy drinks are easy to digest. The digestive system has a less work to do. Therefore, it's get easy for the body. Healthy drinks keep you full. This gives a filling effect to quick soon. Now, you know the benefits. So jump ahead to understand the top 5 best drinks to lose weight. First one, green tea. As guessed by the most people, green tea is a one of the healthy drink. Green tea is a wonderful antioxidant that has very less number of calories. Weight loss is all about shielding unwanted calories. Therefore, green tea works quite well. To verify these facts, drinking green tea has been showed a decreased body weight and body fat in several studies. Green tea enhances that fat burning and enhances the metabolism of the body. Therefore, you might consider the drinking green tea at least 2 times in a week. Second one, black tea. This simple form of tea, black tea is type of tea that has undergoes more oxidants than other type of teas. That's why it has a stronger flavor, and notice it fact is that black tea is a high in polyphenols, includes the group of polyphenols compounds called as flavonoids. Polyphenols are powerful antioxidants that may help to reduce the body weight. A study in 111 people demonstrates that those who drank 3 cups of black tea daily for 3 months lose the weight than others. Third one, water. You may be surprised to know that something as a basic as water is really helpful for the weight loss. The best part is that it is 100% calories free. It therefore helps to the burn more calories and may even suppress your appetites. Therefore, whenever you feel like having a sugar drink, make a habit to drink a glass of water so that you can consume other unwanted calories less. It is a powerful method to cut down on unwanted sugars. Fourth one, ginger tea. Ginger is a popular root used in Indian saviors as a herbal remedy to treat a number of cold and arthritis. You will be pleased to know that ginger extracts in the hot water can work for the weight loss too. Number 5. Vegetable juices. Drinking vegetable juices has been found to be an effective way of weight loss.